Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do some potting mix planting, and there's Juju at the 56 point something size bag. It's a huge bag. It's longer than my arm. Let's see if I can see what size. Can't read it upside down. It's 56 point something. Anyways, it's definitely longer than my arm. And what we're going to do today is plant some seeds. We have some of these planters that I have in my hand, and they are just starting to poke out. We have plenty of these, and we have some out there, but we just need to plant some more items. We have lots of seeds that we're waiting on. I've been planting like this since my daughter was in elementary school, and it's very easy to do. You just get this large potting mix or a smaller one, and you don't have to cut it down on the sides real low or anything. You just really want to cut in a certain way, and so that the dirt doesn't fall out. This potting mix bag is going to be your container for what you're planting. So what we're going to do is you just take a knife and we're going to cut down the middle and open it up. Now leave some space on both ends. I probably have a good 2 to 3 inches, and then you just want to run down the side of the bag. You don't want to go down very low. I see lots of people cutting it really low, and you don't want to do that. So we're just going to cut over just a little ways and leave a good probably 3 inches, maybe even 4. We just want to put some of the potting mix containers in there, or transplant out from those, or you can just add seeds. Now I'm not too worried about drainage. I'm not going to water this heavily. And I'm just going to take a spoon. You don't have to have certain special gardening tools. Just take a large spoon. I'm going to redistribute the dirt and tuck some down in here. Kind of get this situated for a minute. It's worth it. And I didn't cut down too low, if you'll notice. I just want to leave enough for it to open up, but you don't want everything to fall out. It's going to take a little bit of time, but you'll get used to it. I'm going to just plant some seeds in it. You can just go ahead and distribute it how you want. You can cut this how you want. It's just yours to mess with. So I happen to have a couple of packages of seeds. They're a little bit dirty. They've been outside. But I'm going to go ahead and put these seeds in. Or you can go ahead and put a transplant in that you've grown in a different container. Just taking a regular spoon again, digging a hole, sizing it up, and then I would go ahead and take that out of the container and put it down in that hole. For demonstration purposes, we're not going to do that. Now to plant the seeds, I just take my spoon and make a little crevice spot and drop the seeds in, and then cover them back up. It's really not hard to do, super easy. Just lightly water it, make sure it doesn't get too dry, and everything will be fine. Like I said, I had planted like this since my daughter was in elementary school. We had different apartments. We've always put a bag by the window with some flower pots. So, and it works. I want to say thank you to Juju for joining us. As you can see, she's always on guard. Thanks for joining us. Y'all have a good Easter weekend.